Chest congestion is common in the winter season. If not treated in time, then cause several ailments that affect the respiratory system, such as the common cold, bronchitis, asthma, or complications from heart disease. The common symptoms of chest congestion are including tightness in the chest, coughing, shortness of breath, or a runny nose. There are several home remedies that can be used to bring relief and treat chest congestion. In this video, you will find a very effective remedy for the treatment of chest congestion. Ingredients. Ingredients you need for this remedy are easily available even at your kitchen, including honey, ginger juice, lemon juice, black pepper powder. Let's have a look on the medicinal benefits of these ingredients. Number 1. Honey. According to one study, honey is very better in the treatment of chest congestion. It can also relieve coughs more effectively than OTC medications that contain dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant. The honey does the soothing to your sore throat and helps in drainage of frozen mucus by liquefying it. You can also simply eat the honey by the spoonful or spread it on bread for a snack. Number 2. Lemon juice. Just take a fresh lemon and squeeze it to take a teaspoon of its juice. Lemons are great for sore throats because they can help break up mucus and provide pain relief. It is packed with vitamin C, which can help to boost the immune system and give it more power to fight off your infection, including bronchial and lung infections, flu, colds, and coughs. Number 3. Black pepper powder. Black pepper powder is replete with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help keep infections at bay and also provide relief from the discomfort. It helps in breaking down the deposition in the nasal and throat passage and helps to eliminate them from the body, making more way for breathing normally and reducing cough. Number 4. Ginger juice. Scientific research shows that ginger has medicinal properties that could help ease the symptoms of a cold or sore throat. Ginger helps in preventing and removing phlegm from the body. Ginger also works as an antioxidant and helps the body in releasing toxins, which further results in removal of the infection and flu. Some researchers have found evidence that ginger can have an anti-inflammatory effect against respiratory infection. How to make this remedy? Take a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of ginger juice, almost half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and then a full spoon of honey in a bowl, and then mix well so that all the elements mixed unanimously. How to use? Guys, take a spoon of this remedy thrice a day, that is morning, lunch, and evening time after meal. It is equally good for youngsters and elders, but please don't try on infant or babies. That's it, guys. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel for the latest upcoming videos.